Yes. How are you guys? Okay, last time we were able to do printing of some designs on a cup. We did some sublimation, and some of you had questions on how do we get those designs in the first place. So today I just want to take you through uh, a tutorial, a design tutorial, Canva 101. Just basically, simply how you can be able to create a design, how you can be able to create a logo on your own from Canva. Yes, so this is how it is done. You come here to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. So you have your Google Chrome browser here. You can choose to use any other browser that you want or any other operating system for Mac users and also Linux users. You can still use that. Here we're using Windows. So you go to your Google browser, as you can see here. Then you come here where we have, you can either come here, you can write it here or here. So you come here to the on this search bar. Then you write canva.com. Come here and write canva.com like that. Then you hit enter or you click search. Now once you come here, because it's a new you are a new user, what you're going to do is you will first of all either you log in or sign up. But for us, because we are new here, the best thing, we would like to just sign up. But before we sign up, okay, let us just go ahead and sign up so that I can show you what Canva is made of. So here, if you are using your own Google account, Google will ask you whether to sign Canva with Google. If you are signing Canva with Google, that will mean it will be integrated with your account. Okay, so you can just go ahead and this is just a means to save time. Nowadays, Google is doing that. So just come here and say you're signing in with Google. Here you click, the account is there, so you continue as that account that is given there. Okay, so you continue as that account, then it will you'll give it a minute to sign you up. That would mean all the information that you have entered into that account is the same information that you're using with your Google account. Therefore, please do not forget that. So from there, Canva will take you through a simple query here where it will ask you what you intend to do with Canva. What we intend to do with Canva. Okay, so for example here, you're going to answer just some questions here. So questions are, will use these recommend designs and templates especially for you? So are you using Canva for personal, non-profit, you're a student, teacher, small business, or a large company? So here we just say either we say you're a small business or we just say it is for personal means. Okay, so here we're just going to come here and say we are just doing this as a small business. Okay, then you'll be asked here to do your trial. You'll be asked here to do your trial here. So as you can see, you have here trial. Remember, Canva also has its professional Canva Pro. Okay, it has a paid version of it. Now the difference between paid and free version. So for the free version, you'll get that editor. You'll get a few templates that are free and some features that are also useful, as you're going to see. But if, for instance, you decide that my business has gone ahead, my business has scaled up, and therefore I need to also use more features. I need to use more templates, actually unlimited templates. Once you get the paid version, you get unlimited templates. But here, as you're going to see, some templates are locked for the paid version. But basically, it is still very, very useful in the free version. So it purely depends on what you want Canva for. So as a beginner, I would just advise you to start with a free account. So you just come here and say maybe later. Then voila, we are in. Okay, so here you'll be taken here. As you can see, we have this interface here. Now, you see this window here, it has everything that you want to make. You have documents, whiteboard presentation, social media, videos, websites, and more. So you are told here you might want to try. You can play around with Canva, you can start writing, okay, you can get ideas, those Instagram posts and all that. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to save time with Canva. Okay, this is one of the amazing AIs that have come to save time for business owners who will wish to use their time for other things. So for example, if I want to make a flyer, I can either come here and write flyer when I'm searching, okay, then I'll be able to choose here which flyer do I want, and you can choose. Maybe I want a flyer that is A4. I want a flyer that is in landscape layout. I also want this church event, but let us just say a flyer in A4 format. Okay, so once you are taken here, see, you will just do that, and you will have very many templates that are here. So we just come here and say create blank. Then we will be taken to this particular window. Now this window is where we are going to now do our editing. We're going to do our editing and design here. So you can see here, you're told you start with a template. You can start with a template, as templates are fully customizable. You can drag one canvas, you can do mix and match and come up with any design that you feel suits your needs. So here, for example, we want a simple flyer for example, we are calling we're just showing out maybe our small business. Okay, so you just come here and okay, we are going to continue with the tour later. So very simple. Yes, you just come here and pick. Okay, you can pick this. Okay, you can scroll down. You can see all of these are templates for agency, house for sale. You have marketing, all of those foods, you see. Yeah, we have even car repairs. So these basically they are templates for small businesses. Okay, all of these are templates and they are usable and they are customizable. Okay, but you can see some of the templates are locked for and they are written here pro. See, they are written pro here. That means only members who have subscribed into the pro version can be able to access this. But all of these others, like for example this one and this one, these are free and can be accessible to even those who are starting out. So for example, we will just come here and choose. You can even come here and just write here in this search bar, where now AI will be able to 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 tailor a certain flyer to our needs. For example, we want a branding business flyer, branding business flyers. Okay, so you can come here and just say business flyers or marketing flyers for that matter. Then you'll be here, digital marketing agencies. Then you just click, and whatever you have clicked will come here to your editor. So here, as you can see our picture here. Okay, maybe I can just add it a bit, that it can be a bit bigger. Okay, yes, that's enough for us. Okay, so basically what is happening here is that we have our item here. So as you can see here, you're told the logo can go here. You're told here is where we have our headline. We also have some text that can be written here. We also have more text here according to what now suits your need. Okay, then we also have now a photo here. So basically what you can do is you just customize it. things have been done so easily for us. You just customize it. So if we like this, just customize. But if we like another one, we can go and choose. We can go and choose something from that particular template and come and match it with this one. But for now, I just want us to make a very simple one from this. So you just come here and say branding business. You just come here and change the text and say Apex. For example, we call it, we want to call your business. Yes, for example, you want to just call your business Alex. So we just come here and say Alex branding services like that. Okay, you can make this capital and also you make this capital. Okay, like that. So you can come and make it like that. Then from there, that place you can decide, maybe those are not the colors that you would wish to carry on with your business. Maybe you have more colors, more ideas of colors with you. So you can come here for that text, come here and change the color. Many colors here you can choose from. Sometimes the program will suggest for you the colors that are on most of the pictures, but because you're not going to use this picture, we are going to first of all bring a picture in. So for us to bring a new picture in here, so that now we can get the colors to be able to match our flyer. Okay, but you can definitely choose to use any color that you want. So what you're going to do is you come to this picture, then these three dots here, you click, then it will bring you here and you might choose to remove that picture. So once you remove that picture, you see the frame remains there, and that means you can be able to bring a new picture there. So for pictures, you can pick pictures from we have very many sites that can have free pictures. Remember, we are trying to save time here. Or you might have your own preloaded pictures from your business, or pictures that you had made earlier, or that you think you can be able to use for your business. But here, if we don't have any pictures, you can just come here, go to pexel.com, go to the browser here, okay, in a new tab, and write Pexel. Okay. Pexels. Then from there, you're going to get free photos. See, you have free videos, free stock videos, and full all of those free images and photos. Just come here and click free photos. Once you arrive here, you will just come to the search bar and search for branding. Okay, just come here and search for branding photos. Okay, branding business. Okay, then you see whether you can be able to get some photos that apply. Click search, give it a moment, then you're going to get some photos here for branding. So as you can see, we have very many photos here that you can be able to look at. There are many. As you can see, here is a logo from a company. All of these, you have staff meeting, and you have options to download. So here you just look for something that maybe appeals to your business, then you choose it. Okay, you decide to choose it there. So for example, here maybe our business is a t-shirt branding, so you just come here and say branded t-shirts. Okay, then you search, Here there are many. Okay, so you can come here, try to look for all of these photos. Okay, there are many here. Just pick. If it is a shoe business, there you go. You'll be able to see some of those photos here. So I'm looking for a photo I can be able to at least show that we are doing branding here. So for example, you can choose this one, download it. Once you download it, definitely it will go where? It will go to your downloads. So what you will do to Canva, just go back to Canva. Once you go back to Canva, here, okay, on this side, we have this one is the uploads. This one now shows your uploads. So just come here and say upload files. Then from our computer, from your computer, you will the picture that we just got from Pexels will be available there. We download it, and then we bring it here. Just drag it there, and you arrive there. Okay. So from there, you can see we have already brought our picture there. So when you are choosing colors, you can come here. Just come here to the text color. Choosing colors. You see now the colors that are suggested here are from our picture. They are from the picture that we have there. So you can choose to use either that. Okay, that looks nice. You can use that one. It's a bit faint. You can use those ones. Okay, a bit faint. Also black. Black is also good. So you can choose to use black there. Okay, again, you're not limited to that. There are many colors you can be able to choose from. Okay, you can come here to the color palette. Okay, we have default colors that are many here, from black coming all the way up to here. Okay, you can actually even come here. See now this one now carries all the colors shades, okay, that you want. You can be able to bring it to all the color shades that you want, from here black to here where we have purple. Okay, so we have already chosen black there, works so well. Then you come here, accelerate your online presence. So you just come here and say show, and just write here shine with or you can just write there show what you are made of. Okay, there. Then you just come here. Maybe you can decide to deal with the colors as of now. Come here and deal with the colors. You can decide to take that brown, okay, black, okay, that, change all, okay, that, that, so you can see the colors are there for you to choose. So black still carries the day. Okay, there we are. Then you come here. Here you might choose to bring your logo there. So our services are here. You come here and see our services. Remember also, all of this text can be changed. You can change the font or the typology of this particular text. So for example, here I can change the font of that one, bring it to Roca 1. Okay, see, changes. You can decide I want Anton, that one. See the change here. I decide I want archival black. Okay, the font will change, and you can scroll for as many fonts as you want. Although there are some fonts here, if you see this gold crown, know that that font is restricted to only pro members, but we have very many useful uh, fonts here for us to use for that. And I personally, I like this one, April Fat Face, looks nice. So our services are here. Then you can say, one, have digital marketing. Two, we have branding strategies. Three, okay, you can change maybe this. Okay, so you can start from here. Say t-shirt branding. Okay, yes, so after that you can be able to come here. Then once you, let me make this browser a bit bigger. Now after that, remember you can also play around with the size and make the size a bit bigger like that. Okay, I think that is a good size. Then from there, instead of here saying get started, you can start, you can say book. Okay, say book with us. Okay, as a button there. Then when you come here and decide to say contact us, so instead of this number, you can put your number there. So you come and say +254 07998880. For example, give a number like that. Then from there, your website www.alexbranding.com. Then now you give your information, your website. After that, now you can come here. If you have a logo, you just drag it. Remember the same process that we said. Once you have a logo, you'll have to upload it here to Canva. Once you upload it to Canva, then you will drag it and bring it here. Then from there you can resize it. Remember, you can resize it to fit. For example, how I'm playing around with this, you can resize it to be a small one, or you make it a big picture. Make it a big picture. Remember, you can also move it and take it anywhere you want in that particular picture, that it fits well there. Okay, so there we go, we are finished. But now remember, we said also the colors. So for us to be able to change the color, for example, this yellow, we want to make this color better. So you can come here and come to our suggested colors that from the picture normally blend well with the diagram, with the whole document. So you can take that one, I think looks nice. So choose that one, a bit sharp. So that one, so you can go ahead and choose that one, looks nice. Also here, you can choose the background color of this particular diagram here. Just our writings there, our headings, you can put any color that you want. Now the secret is you can play around with the colors until you settle on the best color that blends with your particular arrangement. So from here I can see that one is nice, have green, okay, like that. You can also use the gradients here. These colors are gradients. You can choose any here, as you see, that one, okay, till you arrive at the one that you feel is good with your particular diagram. So there, I think white is still okay there. White blends well. You can use the diagram colors. That one is also not bad. Okay, and also decide to come here, play around with red. Okay, also catchy. Okay, green, catchy, blue there. Blue also sits well. Okay, and decide to go with the same color that is here, which is blue. Then we make this letters white. The font, we change the color, the font color to white. Sounds good. This one is good. Okay, also this one you can change it to maybe a color that is there. so that it blends so well with the environment. Okay. Remember again, we said you can add more elements. So you just come here to elements. We have shapes here. You say see all the shapes. Once you click that, you're going to have the shapes come to you there. Okay. Then you can pick, for example, this shape, drag it there and drop it, or you can just click on it. It will land on the diagram. Then from there, you can come and put it here. Then you elongate. Okay, you can put a shape, any shape that you want. You come here, maybe click another shape here, then take it here. Okay, drag it here. Okay, and change the color of that shape. Okay, to maybe black. Drag it there, put it there. Okay, whichever way you want it. You can even bring it here. Yeah. Make it long there. Okay, that you have various shades. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this one you can decide to remove it so that you are left with only that. So you can see pretty much all the information that you wanted to make is available there. Okay. So from there, you can come here and now finish up. Here above here, you have the name, so you can come here and say Alex branding flyer 1. Then you come here to files, and down here you can see we have several options. Just come here to, you can decide to make a copy or save to folder, or you can download directly. So downloading will bring you here. So you have various methods suggested here: JPG, PNG, PDF, standard PDF, print, SVG, MP4, and GIF. So you can decide to just I suggest you do it as PNG because it's a photo. Then you have to, you can put it as a transparent background or compressed for lower quality. But these ones can only be done when you have the pro version. So you save the download settings and download. Okay. Once you download, now if you want to find your flyer, you just come to your file manager and you'll find it here, Alex branding flyer 1, and you are through. Okay, so that is very simple, a very simple way of making your own brands, making your own graphics, making your own pictures, making your own logos, and actually making your own flyers. For that, we will do the logo process, the logo design process, simply using Canva in the near future. Okay, so keep it locked. This is your boy Alex.